Alright, so this week we're in Sudbury. There's a film production here, Cardinal, one of our northern productions. They are filming in a quarry and they need lights up all along the ridge of the quarry. But with the snow and the ice they've had here up in Sudbury, it's pretty treacherous. So we already made an attempt yesterday to get up there. We got up there, but the vehicle that they had, a little tracked Arctic Cat thing, got stuck and flipped a track. So it's pretty treacherous. So we're going to there's a big storm coming in today, so we kind of stuck up here in Sudbury for a couple extra days, but we're going to attempt to get back up there on Wednesday, and hopefully everything goes well and they can get their lights set up and secured, and everybody will be safe. So in the meantime, we're just killing time here in town, so let's get the hell out of here. We're going to go get some breakfast, and let's go check out what Sudbury has and see if we can get some footage of this storm that's coming in later. Let's go. It's looking like it's going to be one of those days. We got lots of snow. There you go, widen the angle. We got tons of snow last night. This is pretty crazy. Got about 30 centimeters. So we're heading off to the film set, and we're going to be outside on a cliff all day, so let's see how that goes. So this is where we're filming for the next couple days. I don't know if you can see, it's probably all backlit, but we got to go to the top of that cliff, clear the path. It's gonna put lights up there and put some safety lines up there. So we're gonna get ready now and head on up and see where we're at. Yeah. Look how quiet it is up here. Fucking silliness. So we're up here on top of the cliff, John and I. This snow is like up to our waist. It's pretty crazy, so we're going to have to be very diligent here to make sure they stay well back, because it's got a good false edge. Alright, you really lose your depth perception in this snow with the glare on it, so you got to be extremely careful up here at these heights. So there's some good 30-foot drops in there, right at the edge. Very dangerous. So it's not even, it is 3 o'clock, and we probably only have another hour and a half of daylight, and they've only got one light established on the cliff face, and they got to put 5 on. So just finally getting back from something to eat here, and then we're gonna have to hustle them along to get this sorted before it gets dark, because we don't want anybody on that ridge when it's dark. It's dangerous as hell. So anyway, let's get back to work here and get her done. So the name of this TV show is called Shit Show, I think. It's called The Shit Show. Yeah, we're digging out a buried prowler. We're all finished filming up here in Sudbury. It's Saturday morning here. It's of course it's been like Armageddon here the whole week with snow and wind. It's been crazy. And then today we're day rigging and it's sunny and beautiful out. It's still frigid, but at least it's sunny. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up here today. Just getting the last little bit of stuff down off the mountain, and then we're out of here. So make sure to watch this one, subscribe, like it if you do, and then we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take it easy. Be safe.